Hey everyone, Codex here. Today we're going to be talking about an update on Ethereum. We're going to be going over a price prediction. I'm also going to be discussing where I see the price heading in the following months, and we'll cover the flippening of Bitcoin by Ethereum. So before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn those notifications on, and tell me down below in the comments if you think Ethereum could actually reach 10,000 US dollars by the end of this year. Now, we all know that Ethereum has been doing fantastic in the last 2 years, and despite the high gas fees and the low TPS, the price is still going up. We have understood a while ago that no matter what happens, Ethereum is the king of altcoins and it will remain this way. And I mean, Ethereum is down less than 30% from its peak, while Bitcoin is down 32% from its all-time high, which puts into perspective how strong the price action actually is. Now, since the Ethereum 2.0 proposal, which was planned for a 2019 release, we haven't got much, and Ethereum just kept pushing it back and back till June of this year apparently. Now, if you don't know what Ethereum 2.0 is, it's not a new cryptocurrency or anything like it. It's just an upgrade for Ethereum so we can transition from proof of work, aka miners, to proof of stake, aka stakers. This upgrade will solve the scalability issues and increase transaction speed from the current 15 TPS to 100,000 transactions per second. Now, the merge in itself won't lower the gas fees actually. This is a big misconception when it comes to Ethereum 2.0. We know that gas fees have been quite controversial when it comes to the ERC20 network because gas fees are crazy high. It currently costs about $25 to send a transaction on the Ether network, and back last year the number went over 80 bucks, if not over 100 US dollars. So as I said, the merge in itself won't lower the gas fees actually. However, once the sharding is done, which should happen afterwards, then we will see a decline in the price, in the gas fees I mean, which will make Ethereum more accessible. Now, we've got this news from NDTV Profits that says that an Ethereum upgrade will cut over 99% of the energy consumption, which is amazing. I mean, this article says in here, according to recent estimate from a researcher at Ethereum Foundation, this upgrade can cut energy use by at least 99.95%. Lots of people don't understand how big this is because look, Europe has been giving us a very rough time when it comes to Bitcoin and proof of work mainly, because in order to mine Bitcoin, we need energy, and energy costs a lot of money, especially with what's happening right now in the world. Now, this is a little bit outdated since these are the 2020 numbers, but look, European countries is where electricity prices are the most expensive, and especially Germany, which is the most influential European country. And so it's not shocking when you see them trying to impose restrictions against proof of work, especially in times like this. And this is what makes this process of reducing energy and moving from proof of work to proof of stake revolutionary for Ethereum. Now, when it comes to the price action, Ethereum has been dominating the market despite being down 30% from its peak. Because if you look at other altcoins, you can notice that most of them got hammered by Bitcoin and they are still suffering. Ethereum is actually doing quite well, and I expect this uptrend to continue at least in the midterm. Now, we don't really do technical analysis that much on my Patreon account. It's mainly numbers, data, and charts. But I posted this on the 28th of last month saying that we will be looking at 3,450 to 3,530. And at the same day, we had this post about Ethereum after reaching the first price target, in which I said that we will be looking at a small drop within proximity of 3,250 before going to the next level. And so far, so good. This is actually playing out perfectly. The price ended up dropping, although it went lower than what I thought it would, to be honest, but it's back on track and we are looking at this level right now. Ethereum Bitcoin is also another important chart to look at since all eyes are on Ethereum nowadays. We have this big debate on whether Ethereum could actually flip Bitcoin, and while Ethereum's market cap is still half of what Bitcoin's market cap actually is, I do expect the flipping to happen sometime in the future. Now, in order for Ethereum to flip Bitcoin, the ETH to BTC valuation needs to go up by 110%, considering that Bitcoin's circulating supply won't increase, of course. And a 110% move for Ethereum against Bitcoin will put us in here, which is actually a level that we visited back in June of 2017 when Ethereum was doing incredibly well. So as I said, I do expect the flipping to happen, but I also think that it will take us at least 2 to 3 years and we might be looking at something like this. When Ethereum 2.0 comes in, which we still don't know when exactly, but it's expected to be somewhere between the second half of this year and the first half of 2023. So when Ethereum 2.0 comes out, I do expect a lot of FOMO, which would increase the chances of the flipping. Now, when it comes to my holdings and my buys, I currently don't hold Ethereum, not because I don't like it. I bought Ethereum back in 2020 around Q4, and I have sold all of my holdings in this bull run. I don't regret, because after all, we are all in this market to make profits. And even if I rebuy right now, I'll still be in profit. I'm not buying right now because the risk is simply too high for me. But nonetheless, I do think that Ethereum will reach 10,000 US dollars at some point. I think Ethereum is the safest bet in crypto right now. And in my humble opinion, it's a guaranteed 3x within the next 2 years. So that was about it, guys, for today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Give me your thoughts on Ethereum. I'll make sure to reply to you. Have a nice day and peace.